Hola amigos, buenos dias, ¿cómo estás? In today's video, I'm going to get traditional Spanish food. I'm really hungry, let's go. That direction straight ahead. And this is my surroundings. Maybe I'll sit somewhere here. Yeah, this looks like somewhere I'll get my food. All right, time to get something to eat. Hello. Hi, to order, can I sit outside?
Outside, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I would like something traditional, please.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Sit right here. Sun's going to be in my face, maybe. All I'd need is maybe... Hola, buenos dias. Right. Gracias. Thank you. Time to eat. So I'll choose something what's in the menu now. This is my surroundings. Beer, please?
Yeah.
Yes, please. And do you have...
105.
What do you have traditional? Traditional food?
Tapas and paellas. English here. This is tapas and this is paellas.
From this region,
It's
Spanish food.
traditional,
Okay,
yes.
can I have this one with chicken, right? I'll go for this one, please.
This is paella mixta.
Mix. Yes, please. Thank you. Gracias.
Thank you.
And it's traditional, yeah?
Yes.
Super. Mucho gracias.
Gracias.
I'll sit somewhere.
Over there is
Yep.
okay, yes.
Okay. We'll sit here now. Right here. Muchas gracias.
Cheers, boss.
Cheers. So I have my... What beer is this one?
This one is San Miguel, my friend.
San Miguel,
Yeah.
Spanish beer, yeah?
Spanish beer.
Cool.
Where are you from?
I'm Caribbean. Born in England. Yeah.
Where?
Jamaica. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah, great beer. Muchas gracias. I'm having a Spanish beer now. And I came to Sal Dulce. Dulce? I think so. I think that's what it's called. I need to get myself some sunglasses after this. I should have got them first thing after I got my hair done. Would have been cool to be wearing sunglasses now, because I wouldn't mind sitting in the sun, but the sun's like shining directly in my eye. Oh wow, gracias, muchas gracias. Super, thank you very much. Oh wow, sorry, excuse me. Is this typical Spanish food?
Yeah, paella is from Valencia. This one is Spanish food.
Super, super.
But born in Valencia.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll enjoy it. Right. It looks really delicious. Wow. Have a look at that. Mmm. Oh, that smells so good. I'm about to tuck myself in now. Wow. And this is what we have. Wow. And a beer. Oh, that is looking so good. And it's got chicken, prawn, the rice looks well seasoned up. There's a lemon on the top. Oh wow, it looks really delicious. Time to dig in and enjoy. Here goes. Mmm. Ooh. Looks like it's well seasoned. Mmm. Smells so good. Here goes. Mmm. Tasty. Wow. It's got like a mixed variety of like seafoods in there and chicken. Tastes really good. Mmm. Mmm. Chicken. think this is squid. And there is oyster in there. And they put a lemon. Wow. There's so many interesting things going on in this bowl. Delicious. Wow. Really great food here at this place. So this is the place where I am now. Wow. Great food here in this place. At Sol Dulce, I think it's called. Sol Dulce. Gracias.
Sal dulce.
Sal Dulce.
Sí.
Aha. Muchas gracias.
Okay.
Okay. What is this one? This is the kind of food what I'm looking for. So this is traditional food, he said. Can even hear American people here.
You better sit in the sun.
No.
This is where we are now. Let's try the oyster now. Let's see. Here it goes. I love seafood. I wonder if they got this from the Mediterranean Sea. There's a show. Wow, really enjoyable and filling this food is. I'm telling you, nothing's going to waste.
Something to drink at the moment?
Lovely. Lovely jubbly. So this is shrimp. So what you do, you take the skin off, like that. Take off the shell because you don't want to eat the shell because the shell is not really digestible. Just taking off the little legs now, like that. And then you go like that.
Yeah, bro, you okay?
I'm okay, thank you. How are you? You good? Yeah, cool.
Are you?
I'm good, thank you. What are you selling? You got some scarf there, some nice handbags, yeah? Yeah, cool. Nearly there. All right, we made it. We got there in the end. Done. Here goes. It's really good. Me gusta. Time to try a bit of chicken now. Smells like jerk chicken. That tastes a bit like barbecue. Wow. This is where we are now. Delicious. So we are nearly finished, and I really, really like this food. Really, really good food. I've got a leg in my mouth. Wow. Last but not least, the chicken. Time to clean the chicken off the bone. That was absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Full up. I feel like I've had proper food now. Wow. Oh, food's so good. Like, I feel as if I can get a takeaway for the evening. Wow. This is the toilets. Oh, it smells nice in here. So I've finished my food now with a nice atmosphere. Finish, yeah. Can I pay now, please?
Yeah, of course.
Cool. Food was great. Let's crack on with the journey. Food was delicious. Delicious food there, that was. Alright, until next time, catch me in the next video. Adios, amigos.